Alrighty y'all, this is it. I'm going in. Sorry about the poor audio in this video. I got the waterproof backing on here for obvious reasons. Out here on the Intex Challenger K1, me and my buddy, we each bought one of these off of Amazon. Cost us about $70. Came with a 3-year Assurion warranty. This is not a paid sponsor or anything. Just caught a lot of fish off of this bad boy. So if you're like me, you know, you're a college student, you don't got a lot of money, or you just don't got a lot of money in general, great little kayak right here. Can't beat the price. So yeah, I'm going in. Wish me luck. This is as you can see, Duck Crap City. So we're off. As you guys can maybe or maybe not tell, this thing absolutely glides effortlessly through the water. So, like I was saying a minute ago, you can see how this thing really drifts and glides nicely. And my friend purchased a $1,000 Vibe ocean fishing kayak. Absolutely incredibly nice. Very expensive, obviously $1,000, but he said that while the Vibe, you know, it's a lot nicer and whatever, as you would expect, that this $70 inflatable actually paddles easier and glides easier across the water. And he also said that due to the wideness of this kayak, it's pretty wide, that he said it's more stable. It's easier to tip the ocean kayak because it's skinnier. So I'm hoping you guys get a decent view of what's going on here. So the first spot I'm going to fish is right here on this oxygen bubbler here. We're going to go ahead and get our rod out and ready to fish. Alrighty, let's see what we can get. Just go to the sink. Reel in our slack. That it? Is that it? I think that's fish. Is that fish? I think I'm just snagged. Could be a fish. Let's see here. Oh, it came off, whatever it was. Oh no, that's a fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh my goodness, that's a good fish. Give him some drag. Big fish, gentlemen, big fish. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, that's a good fish. Oh, please don't come off. Let's go! Let's go! Big fish! We're slaying pigs out here. Oh, just barely hooked his ass too. Oh, he's gotta be at least 5. Guy swallowed my Cinco. Let's effing go. This is a chunk. Nice chunk, baby. Nice chunk. We're gonna go ahead and take a couple pictures of this guy or gal. She is not, or he has not been caught. And that is a healthy fish right there. That is one healthy fish. I wasn't sure if I had a snag at first, but sure as shit enough, that's a nice fish. Alrighty guys, I'll be right back at you in a few to give you the release after I get a few pictures for, you know, the memory. And stay tuned. Alrighty, we kept this guy out for plenty long enough. I don't want to hurt him. There it is. Absolutely outstanding fish. Got to re-rig, and we'll be back at you guys in a minute. Peace! fish. That's fish. Yeah, that's fish for sure. Oh, goodness. Uh-oh. Good fish. Please don't come off there, buddy. Please don't come off. Oh yeah, fish number 2. Alrighty, y'all. Let's take a look at this fish. Wow, another solid fish. This one's probably maybe 1 to 2 range. Got him right in the side of the mouth here. Just barely got him hooked. Wow. Feels good, man. Definitely feels good. Nice little fish. Once again, doesn't appear to be caught anytime recently. Very nice little fish. As always, I'm going to take a quick picture. I'll get the release for y'all. Catch you in a minute. Peace! Alrighty, y'all. Don't want to keep this fish out any longer than we have to. One last look at it. What a nice, healthy fish. Guys, this release. Oh yeah! Number 2. Feels good, y'all. Feels real good. Been out here, been at it for a while. Gonna keep pushing my luck, but I'm happy now. Catch you guys in a little bit. Peace! Alrighty, y'all. It's getting dark out here. Sun's almost going down. And my GoPro is on 1 battery, so we're gonna throw a few more casts and then call it a night. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And have a great day, y'all. There it is, fish. That's fish. That's fish. And he came off. Man! Dang it, man!